Hello guys and welcome to this video. Today I will share with you how to claim Jynxzi charm after subscription. So the method easy guys, follow this step and you will claim this Jynxzi charm. So first guys, open your account on jynxzi.com, and after that you will see top right corner drop down, select the option to claim Jynxzi charm. After your claim, you will be added to your account successfully. And after that guys, subscription to Twitch channel of the content creator that offer Jynxzi charm as reward and such. Typically visiting the Twitch page and click subscription. After subscription, go to chat section Twitch channel and mark follow the word link without code, and the chat box enter the action links your Twitch account with your Ubisoft, and wait for the charm appear your inventory with Rainbow Six Siege, and automatically we will be processing time. And I hope this video helpful guys. See you on another video soon. Don't skip, like, share this video.